Hi everyone, welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. So today I'm going to show you how to encapsulate that dreadful chunky glitter. It is so beautiful, it is so gorgeous, but it is also so damn chunky and sticks out and is so ugly unless you encapsulate it. So I'm going to show you how. I'm going to use these butterfly glitters because I just feel like they're the most popular ones out there right now. I was just showing you how thick they are there, and I'm just pulling some out of my little container. They do stick to each other, so keep that in mind. Make sure that you don't have 2 or 3 stuck together. So what I always like to do is use base coat. I always like to just stick things to base coat. Base coat is sticky. That's what it is. So I usually put down base, and then I use my crystal katana to just stick the chunky glitters to the wet base coat, and then we're going to cure that, and as it cures they're just gonna stick into that base coat. The crystal katana is probably one of my best purchases in regards to nail tools. I use it probably with every set, so yeah, you should get yourself one. So we are going to encapsulate this glitter with Bioseaweed's Builder X. Okay, the Builder X is a little bit of a thicker gel. You can see how thick it is here, and it is also a self-leveling gel, so it's not going to go all over the place on you. It's not going to flood down the sides of the nails. It's going to pretty much stay put. You'll see as I'm applying it. So you are going to want to apply this rather slow. I do go a little bit fast, I might admit. The more you work the product, the more chances you are of getting bubbles in it. So you actually want to work the product less. So try to just hover your brush on the top of the gel and slowly smooth it down. Here I've sped up the video. And then, yeah, just once you run out, go back in, grab another dollop of gel, and then keep working your way down the nail slowly. And just let the product do its thing because it is a self-leveling product. So it will just level out itself. You really don't have to do too much, but get it on the nail. You can actually see the gel level out itself in the pot every time I bring my brush out. So yeah, that kind of gives you a good idea of how this product works. It is my favorite builder gel. I used to use it all the time to encapsulate my own natural nails when I used to grow my own nails very long, which I do actually have a video of me doing gel encapsulation on my natural nails. It's one of my first YouTube videos, so if you want to go back and check that one out, I mean, go ahead. It's not very good quality, but it's good information, so yeah. I'm just now going back and I am thinning out the cuticle area because you don't want any bulk at the cuticle, and then I am also just getting out any divots that I see, and I'm just doing that by lightly touching the gel with the tip of my brush and then basically moving it around onto the nail into any areas that I see need to be filled. And you are going to want to do this step slowly to not create any more air bubbles that you already have. You can see here that I already do have some air bubbles. So this is still definitely a technique I need to work on. I don't like to encapsulate glitter. I don't have too many sets that have glitter that is encapsulated, to be honest. Yeah, so another thing you can do is also turn the nail over and let gravity do its thing to pull the gel down. And then I also like to move the gel while the nail is upside down, and then quickly turn it over and stick it into the lamp. Then after that has cured, we're going to be using Bioseaweed's No Wipe Top Coat to quickly put, this doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to be buffing this. So just quickly put down a good layer of top coat, cure that. And then once again, I'm going to be using another Bioseaweed product, which this is not sponsored by Bioseaweed Gel. I just happen to love their products, and they're a Canadian brand. I'm in Canada, so yeah. So I'm just going to be using their buffing block to buff it smooth again, and just, you know, make sure there aren't any little bumps. And then once that is done, you're going to obviously wipe off the dust with some alcohol, and then come in with your top coat one last time. And then there you go. That's how I like to encapsulate glitter. You can obviously use clear acrylic. I don't use acrylic, but yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.